G'day guys, welcome to this week's 5 Minute Yarns. I'm Mick and you're a viewer, so welcome. This week's 5 Minute is just going to be a quick one, talking about when I release videos and why I choose to do it that way. Most of the guys that I watch and that I follow seem to release their videos on Sunday, and all great. Obviously they get plenty of likes and subscribers and whatnot. You can get some light so you can see my face. Yeah, they release them sort of early hours Sunday morning. I know Mud Duck does, Tyler Thompson, Ronnie Dale. It's always early hours of Sunday morning. I release mine at midday on Wednesday. Now, my thinking behind this, and I've asked this on Instagram what people do and why. My thinking behind this is dropping a video midweek hopefully gets people thinking about what they want to do on the weekend, where they want to go. Rather than, I feel doing it on a Sunday, people are sort of either already out or they've just come home from a night out, sort of thing. I figured doing it during the week, midweek, like I do, will help people think about what they want to do on the weekend and encourage people to get out and go and see different places and do different things. You know, hopefully you watch my video and go, yeah, shit, that looks pretty cool. Might go there on the weekend. Get the family out for a day. That's sort of my idea. The other thing is Wednesday. Why Wednesday? Well, it's hump day. You know, you're halfway through the working week. I release it at midday lunchtime, Australian Eastern Standard or Daylight Savings Times, depending on what it is here. So I release it midday. So the idea is you're on your lunch break at work, you're halfway through the working week, you're slogging it out, you've had enough, you're feeling down and drained and shit. Hopefully then you can sort of sit back on your lunch break, watch my video while you have something to eat and a rest and dread going back to work. And it can sort of help you get through that working week. And just sort of lift your spirits a little bit to help you get through the slog. And yes, I don't work at the moment, and I've explained why in previous videos, but I have worked. I know what it's like, especially if you're doing an office job or some menial bullshit, boring ass job. You know, you get to a Wednesday and it's like, fuck, I just don't want to be here. You know, isn't that Monday? But yeah, so that's the idea as to why I do Wednesdays, and I drop it at lunchtime so you guys can sit down on your lunch breaks midweek, watch the video and help you get through the rest of the week, and then get you sort of thinking as well as to where you'd like to go and what you'd like to do on the weekend yourself. So for other content creators, you know, I'd like to know when you drop videos and why. I think it's quite interesting, in my opinion, and from my sort of sense, why other people drop it when and where. What's your thought process behind it? Why do you feel that sort of certain days are better than others? Hey, Sundays might be more productive. They might attract more views, but at the same time, I feel the Wednesday just helps people get through. Hopefully, helps people get through the working week. I'll shut up, dog. Alright guys, I'm almost back to the main road, so you're not going to hear much from me now, and I'm almost at my 5 minutes, so I'm going to cut it there. Alright guys, peace, take care, and I'll see you on the tracks.